What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we've got full legs. Let's get it. Do not disturb going on, because motherfuckers like to stress me out during my workout. Leave me alone. Doing a lot more hammy work because my hammies are lacking big time. Oh, fuck. Oh, pain. I'm getting better at this though, because I definitely have never done 90 pounds on this, and I just did it today. So slay. Rise, code BREBRE15, Gatorade, EAAs, creatine. Wait, fuck, I forgot the creatine today. It's fine. Grape Kool-Aid packet, gas. Don't forget the pink salt. You will regret it. 80 pounds on this single leg bullshit. Okay. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Son of a nutcracker. Speaking of nutcracker, it's Christmas, bitch. POV, it's November 1st. We don't play about Christmas around here. My house is literally, like, there are 3 Christmas trees. Every bathroom, every crevice of the house is decorated completely. Go to my IG if you want to see the finished product. Fuck. Holy shit. Oh my God. The burn is still burning right now. It's that pump daddy though. You know what? One of these days, we should just max squat it. I'm just gonna max squat it up. I feel like that would be fun. Okay. All right. I don't hate it, except I kind of do. I think I'm just gonna work up to 225, see how many I can do, and then I'm gonna ask my coach if I can max out, because why the fuck not? Honestly, if it does fit, that's probably not a good sign either, because I'm supposed to be putting on weight. And this fit me when I was 114 pounds. Ready? Oh my fucking gosh! I can't breathe. That is way too tight for a belt, but we'll ride it out, see what happens. Absolutely not. I almost literally just died. Actually, unlatched feels about right. We'll do that. Okay. I'm gonna need MJ to come spot me before I accidentally fucking die. He's excited. Honey, I'm too fat to latch the belt. All right, so yeah, don't let me die. Woo. Okay. Big time sucked. No, that was ass. But I got 10. I'm not mad about that. Okay, yeah, this will be fine. Okay. That will be fine. Okay. Boom. Fucking hip thrust bastard. Holy shit. My God, fuck. Okay. Ow. Must time, or I'll sit here forever. Where the fuck is my phone? I'm losing it. Oh, there it is. Oh, fuck. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, I'm in. My favorite exercise. There's nothing I love more than hip thrust. This is the shit right here. All right. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh man, that sucked. Okay. Oh, fucker. Here we go. Okay. Oh, we're fine. Bruh. Me. Oh my God. That just sucks so bad. It just pisses me the fuck off. Okay. Love it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh man. So close. So close to being done. Okay. It was the squats for sure. Regular barbell squats are extremely taxing on your CNS. That's why I don't typically do them. I don't know what I was thinking. It's fine. It's fine. All right, last set, best set. Okay. We are done. We are cooked and we are done. Thank you very much. See you next time.